Hello all, welcome to my series of tense. According to the series of tense, our today's discussion is on past perfect tense, right? What is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense, as it is a part of past tense, it refers a past action, okay? But past perfect tense refers not only a past action but also an earlier past action, okay? And this is the thing we have to understand. What does it mean, earlier past action or earlier past? To make it clear, I have made a timeline here. The timeline of past perfect tense. See, here the time is 12 o'clock, okay? Now the time is 12 o'clock and so it refers present time, okay? And before 12 o'clock, before now, the time was 11 o'clock, okay? So it refers past time. And before 11 o'clock, the time was 10 o'clock and this refers earlier past time, okay? And past perfect tense express this earlier past time or an earlier past action. Clear? To learn in detail, see the definition of past perfect tense. When we are talking about two or more things in the past, okay? When we are talking about two or more things in the past and which one of them happened first, okay? We express it in the past perfect. Clear? It means that whatever started first in the past, we express it in past perfect. Clear? Now see the example. When we arrived, the meeting had started. See, two actions are here. We arrived and the meeting had started, right? First, understand the meaning of this sentence and identify which action happened first. See, when we arrived, the meeting had started. This sentence means that when we arrived, we saw that already the meeting had started. So, this action, the meeting had started, this action happened first. This action happened before. So, this is an earlier past action, right? And for this earlier past action, I use past perfect tense. Okay, clear? Now hope it's clear to you. Now let's look at the structure of past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is very easy. We use had as helping verb for past perfect tense, okay? It does not matter that what the subject is, had is always used as helping verb and then V3 or past participle form of main verb. So the structure is subject plus had plus V3 or past participle form of main verb and then object. Clear? Now let's look at some examples of past perfect tense or when to use past perfect tense. See the first example. The plane had left by the time I got to the airport. Okay. So two actions are here and this sentence means that by the time I got to the airport, I saw that the plane had already left. So this action happened first in the past, right? So this is the earlier past action and by rule for earlier past action I use past perfect tense here. Clear? Now see the next one. The patient had died before the doctor came. Okay. It's very clear to understand here that the patient had died before. So this action happened first in the past and later the doctor came. This is the later past action. And so for first past action here I use past perfect tense. Clear? Now see the next example. I came here after you had left. Okay. You can see here that I came here after you had left. So you had left before and then I came here. And so for this first past action I use here past perfect tense because whatever happened first in the past we express it in past perfect tense, right? Now see the Next or last example, he failed the exam because he had not studied enough. Okay, why did he fail the exam? Because he had not studied enough. So this action happened first in the past, and as a result this action happened. So this is the later action, and this is the earlier past action which happened first in the past, and so here I use past perfect tense. Is that clear? Hope it's clear to you. See you very soon. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.